Transform your agreement process with professionally designed Pandadoc contract templates that will elevate your business. Let's dive into crafting your first Pandadoc contract template. Starting with the foundational structure, navigate to the Templates section in your Pandadoc dashboard and click Create New Template. You'll be greeted with a blank canvas, ready for your customization. The first step is to add your essential text content. Think of this as the core of your contract: your introductory paragraphs, service descriptions, and main terms. Click on Add Text Block from the left-hand menu and begin typing your standard legal language directly into the editor. Use consistent formatting for headings, subheadings, and body text to ensure readability. Don't forget to apply consistent styling. Select your text and use the formatting toolbar to make headings bold, adjust font sizes, and choose colors that align with your brand. This attention to detail makes your templates look professional. Now, let's make your template interactive by adding fillable fields. Click on Add Field and choose the appropriate field type for each piece of information you need from your client. For example, to capture the client's name, drag and drop a text field onto your template where you want that information to appear. You can label these fields clearly for ease of use. Similarly, use a date field for important dates like the effective date or contract end date. Pandadoc automatically collects this information, saving manual entry. For recurring choices, like selecting service packages or payment terms, the drop-down field is incredibly useful. You predefine the options, ensuring consistency. And of course, the crucial signature field, drag and drop this where you need the contract to be signed. Pandadoc handles the electronic signing process seamlessly. For frequently used clauses, like confidentiality or termination, utilize the Add Clause feature. You can save standard clauses and easily insert them into any template. Organize your template logically, ensuring all necessary clauses and fields are present and clearly placed. Review your template thoroughly, imagining yourself as the recipient to ensure a smooth experience. Once you're satisfied, hit Save and give your template a descriptive name. You've now mastered the art of creating professional, customized Pandadoc contract templates, ready to streamline your business agreements.